Today, we will learn 2 ways to solve percent problems. Remember, percent means out of 100. If the question says percent of, multiply. If it says what percent, divide first. Example 1. What is 25% of 80? First, change 25% to a decimal. Move the decimal 2 places left. 25% becomes 0.25. Now, multiply. 0.25 times 80 equals 20. So, 25% of 80 is 20. Quick check, 25% is 1/4, and 1/4 of 80 is 20. Example 2. What is 15% of 200? Change 15% to 0.15. Then multiply. 0.15 times 200 equals 30. So, 15% of 200 is 30. Example 3. 60 is what percent of 240? This time, divide first. 60 divided by 240 equals 0.25. Now, change the decimal to a percent. Move the decimal 2 places right. 0.25 becomes 25%. So, 60 is 25% of 240.